birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. Blow it out then. Hello everyone, welcome back. As you will have seen at the beginning, it was Jessica's sweet 16th birthday party last night. I think Ali's overdone it on the wine a bit too much. A bit of a rough head today. But not normally a big drinker, but we've seen some family and friends who we've not seen for quite a while last night, and yeah, went a bit too overboard. So anyway, today my power inverter has turned up and we're going to install it, and it's a lot smaller than I was expecting. I thought they would be bigger, but that's the size of it. It's a 1200 watt, which I think will be ample for what we need it for really. We're not going to be running any big appliances on it, so we're going to install that and see, try not to electrocute myself in process.
You can't see what you're doing. What you done then?
So it's connected to battery for now, but that's just going to be temporary until we get solar panel put on. Then it's going to be wired into the charge controller itself.
Hardwired?
Yeah. Benefit of that is you use a lot more solar panel than battery panel if it comes straight off at loaders via the charge controller. So I believe. They still use some battery power, obviously it depends on the drain, what you're using. Okay, moment of truth. Let's plug the laptop charger in.
New laptop charger.
Boop. Yep. There we are, we have power. Yay. Brilliant stuff. Oh, does its job, not a bad little thing really. Still surprised on how small it is.
Yeah, but you got a new laptop.
So now I'm going to mess around with the diesel pump or the diesel heater and suspend it with cable ties to see if it makes it nice and quiet. So that's the pump suspended and it's virtually silent. As you can hear, the heater's running pretty fast. The pump's going more or less full speed, and now it's just, well, a big improvement. Hi guys, just wanted to pop up at the end, as we didn't really have an ending for the video. We didn't really go out anywhere this weekend due to weather conditions. We did have a wild camp planned, but again, due to the storms and weather conditions, just didn't bother. So that's all we got done this weekend, with just those bits. Big improvement on the pump, really fantastic. So hopefully on the next video we should have a lot more to show you, and we should be out and about again, and hopefully we should be able to get our wild camp done. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later. Bye for now.